Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be discussing how you can switch on ghost mode on Instagram. Now, ghost mode is a feature that people can use which allows you to hide or in essence go ghost mode on a conversation. For example, you can send a certain amount of messages within ghost mode or as it is known as vanish mode, and the other person will be able to see it, reply back to it, but once you exit ghost mode or vanish mode, the messages will disappear. Now, all you need to do to turn on ghost mode is simply scroll down and scroll up, and hold it and then release. Now you've entered ghost mode. And if you wish to go out of this, again, simply scroll up, hold it, and then simply let go. And now you have exited ghost mode. It is as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful for those watching. Thank you.